Hi friends, very good morning all of you. So welcome back to CAP classes. I hope all of you are doing good and it is just 33 more days to go to CA examinations. And today we are sitting on 3rd of November and CA examinations are going to start for final students from 5th of December and for CA intermediate and IPCC students from 6th of December. If you are writing first group or both the groups, the exam starts on December 5 or 6. And if you are writing only single group, that is second group, then you'll have another 10 days of time to prepare. So yesterday I have made a video on how to overcome laziness and how to be disciplined, how to be motivated, and what a student should do, what a student should not do, do's and don'ts. All these things we have discussed in one video in detail yesterday. So I've got a tremendous response. Many students are saying, Pavan sir, this is really a game changer for us. Next 30 days we'll focus on studies. And so many students after that started asking, Pavan sir, next 30 days, how to revise the syllabus? Because the syllabus volume is huge. At the same time, we have only 30 days and we need to cover 4 subjects. Or if you are doing both the groups, you need to cover 8 subjects. How the revision can be done effectively? So yesterday I told you in the video, to prepare a study plan for not less than 12 hours a day. So you have to prepare a study plan for minimum 12 hours a day, because it is only a matter of 1 month. It's not difficult to study 12 hours, 14 hours. Maybe the consistency for 6 months, 1 year cannot be maintained. Every day studying for 12 hours to 14 hours for 1 year, it is very difficult. But actually, if you look at your past performance also, 1 month immediately before the exam, definitely your number of hours studied, and the topics covered will definitely go up on an average. So, I have prepared a revision plan for students appearing CA examinations in December 2021. Especially, I wanted to help students from old syllabus. Especially I wanted to help from students from old syllabus, because this is last attempt for them. So after this they cannot write in the old syllabus. They need to convert mandatorily to new syllabus. So this is the plan prepared. I will be uploading this in our Telegram channel. I will be uploading this in our CAP classes mobile application as well. So this is a study plan for revision plan for December 21 exams for CA Intermediate Group 1, for CA Intermediate Group 2, CA IPCC Group 2, and for CA IPCC both the groups also we have prepared. So the basic idea is, if you look at today, what is the date? Today it is 3rd November and this is going to start from 4th November. That means tomorrow morning you are going to start this. And when it is ending, what is the end date? End date is exactly 1 day before your main exams. 32 days this plan is for. 32 days. And the beauty is, it covers your preparation for mock test, revision and mock test as well. Mock test question papers also will be given free of cost to you. All the test series, there are around 6 per paper. That means 6 into 8 subjects if you take. 6 exams in every subject into 8 papers if you take. 48. Is it 6 into 8? How much? My mind is also gone after speaking with you for long. Okay. So around 40 to 45 question papers and suggested answers are also will be given to you. So what are we waiting for? Let us see how I have prepared this study plan. Each subject is divided into 5 parts. Each subject is divided into 5 parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4 and Part 5. So if you look at, you are initially dealing with part 1. Part 1 of tax today, part 1 of CFM tomorrow, part 1 of accounts next day, part 1 of law next day, and then part 1 is complete. You will take 1 day off from this plan to cover backlogs and to revise the topics. And this is the most important day, because first 4 days, if you couldn't complete in any subject, any topic, if you couldn't complete, take this reserve day for completing backlogs. Similarly, after part 2, again I have given one revision and backlog day. After part 3, again I have given. And also if you look at, say for example, if you look at costing and FM. So 5th you are starting with costing and FM. 5th you are starting with costing and FM. First day you are reading basic concepts, material, labor, overheads. Because in old syllabus, costing plus FM put together is 100 marks. In new syllabus, only costing is 100 marks. FM 60 marks, 160 marks. Unfortunately, old syllabus students are doing the same effort, but it is only for 100 marks. That is the reason you need to read more also. So in first part, you are dealing with basic concepts, materials, labor and overheads. If you look at accounts, you are dealing with accounting standards. One full day, 12 hours. Imagine 12 hours you are doing this. That means on an average, you will spend 4 hours, 3 hours to 4 hours on each topic. For example, materials is there, you will spend 3 hours on it. Labor is there, you will spend 3 hours on it. Overheads is there, you will spend 3 hours on it. Basic concepts is there, you will spend 3 hours. Pavan sir, but overheads is a big topic. Basic concepts is a small topic. Then complete basic concepts in 1 hour and allocate 5 hours to overheads. So you need to be little smart also. You need to understand from the previous question papers or practice manuals, you need to understand the ABC analysis. You need to understand the weightages. Based on the weightage only, you have to study now because it is last 30 days time. You do not have 4-5 months. So like this, you need to prepare. Okay, so look at the schedule. The schedule is prepared from 4th November. Then costing, if you look at this, is day 1, and costing day 2, if you see, again after 5 days it will come. Integrated, non-integrated, batch costing, job costing, contract, operating and process, joint and byproducts. Because you are doing old syllabus, costing includes FM syllabus also, you need to do more. Then when it comes to accounts, accounts from incomplete records, hire purchase and investment accounts, 3. In that investment account is simple one. Hire purchase and installment are little in detail. So for investment accounts, you can do only 2 hours. For single entry system, you can give 5 hours. For hire purchase, you can give 4 to 5 hours. Complete study material you can do in this time. Okay, like that. Again, the next cycle, part 3. After part 3, you will have one revision and backlog. Again, next cycle, part 4. Then revision and backlog. Then part 5. After that, you have mock tests. So 28th November, you are going to complete your syllabus, including backlogs. Then 29th, taxation exam you will write. 30th, you have break, but if you are writing both the groups, okay, on this day, you will have mock test of the second group. Okay, so if you look at both the groups schedule, this is both the groups schedule, okay. If you look at it here, group 2 timetable I have given. Next, in this column, group 1 timetable I have given. Okay, so if you look at the mock test, at the end of this, I have given mock test. So 29th you are writing taxation. If you are writing single group, then 30th you will have day off, break. But if you are writing both the groups, you will write IT and SM. So intentionally I am conducting mock tests in reverse order. Intentionally I am conducting mock tests in reverse order so that just before ICI exam, you end up with reading accounting. So you end up with reading accounting and the next day you write accounting exam, main exam from ICI also. So this is the best way to prepare. And here this one day gap will be there. If you are a single group student, that day you can revise the whole subject and you can read the practice manual. You can do previous RTPs. Remember, without doing 3 previous RTPs, don't go to the exam. If you are old syllabus student, practice manual is the most important content you need to prepare. Practice manual and RTP. Okay, and also in ICI website, ici.org, if you go to the website, quick referencer material, they have prepared some charts, beautiful charts. Okay, problems will not be covered, all the theory concepts will be covered in that. So that is one of the excellent ways of preparing in the last minute. But if you are doing problems like, papers like costing, FM, accounts, advanced accounts, you need to do practice manual only. Don't waste time. Maybe because we reached the last leg of the preparation, you might not be able to solve everything on paper. So just read the question, just try to understand the answer, then check your answer and then move on. And one more thing is, like you look at amalgamation, you look at consolidation. Consolidation is there in only new syllabus, of course. Then you look at internal reconstruction or financial statements of companies. This kind of topics, if you are looking at now, pro forma takes lot of time. For example, balance sheet of XYZ Limited, you'll put the pro forma of the balance sheet. After that, notes to accounts in detail, you need to write. So you need to practice the the proformas content you need to remember. Okay, you cannot take a lot of time. Balance sheet, fatapat you need to put serial number, particulars, note number, and then you need to write part A. In that part A you need to write equity and liabilities, fatapat shareholder funds, under that share capital, note 1, reserves and surplus, note 2. Like that you need to write very fast. And if you are preparing in this 30 days, don't write the whole thing on pen, in your notebook again and again, because it takes a lot of time. You have to practice, you have to remember, do it once or twice, and then you can just read the numbers, but you should understand the logics. Just like that Upper say, don't conduct audit of the answer. Okay, for example, you should have pen and paper, you should have calculator, you should calculate everything, but in fair presentation manner, you need not present the answer, but you should get all the numbers yourself. Okay, that is what I am saying. So last 30 days, do it like this. So this is for, if you look here, I have 3 documents. One is IPCC Group 1, one is IPCC both the groups, one is IPCC Group 2. For IPCC Group 2, many students face issue with IT, information technology, and many students face issue with auditing also, because these are purely theory papers and conceptual. Some students feel, Pavan sir, it is very dry, all that stuff. That is the reason what I have done is, information technology, strategic management, I have taken them as 2 different subjects, because anyway you have 3 papers only, no? Anyway in Group 2 you have only 3 papers. So I have split that into 2 completely separate plans, days, so that it will be very easy for you. And do a lot of MCQs, you need to practice a lot. Plus one more important thing, many students last time faced the difficulty and they said that, Pavan sir, all the answers we know, but we are unable to write the answer in the examination. Do you know what is the problem? You look at previous year examination question papers, whether it is auditing, especially strategic management, they are not asking you a direct question. Write a short note on Michael Porter's 5 forces model. They are not asking. Write a short note on generic strategies. Write a short note on value chain analysis. Write a short note on supply chain management. Write a short note on marketing mix. They are not asking it like this. They are putting that in a story. They are asking in case studies. Everything is a case study. So in paper, you will have minimum 5, maximum 10 case studies. If you cannot understand how to write answer for a case study, your wicket is bowled. Maybe probably theory you read, but you don't know how to put the answer for a case study. For that, what you need to do, download case studies and additional question bank from ICA website. In ICA website, case studies and additional question bank is given. Can you believe they have given 25 case studies with 5 MCQs? That means 125 MCQs you have to answer in the 25 case studies. When you read the case study, you understand the story, how they are developing the story, how they are developing the questions, and how they are asking MCQs. So this is the most important thing. Whether it is descriptive or MCQs, they have given case studies. So you need to do a lot of case studies. Also, at the end of every chapter, they have given test your knowledge. Under test your knowledge section also, there are case studies. Even if you are old syllabus student also, from ICI website, you can download new syllabus materials. Don't read the material. Go to the end of the chapter. Case studies you can read. Case studies, because accounts and SM if you take, the whole syllabus, whatever is there in new syllabus, the whole content, that is there in old syllabus also. Maybe few additions are there, no deletions are there. So what you need to do is, you need to practice lot of case studies, you need to practice lot of MCQs. And in our CAP classes mobile application, we are conducting daily MCQ test. And in our YouTube channel, daily we are giving MCQ video, 2 minutes video, wherein you can complete 10 to 20 MCQs. Okay, and in our WhatsApp groups, we are sending that MCQ question banks. And in our CAP classes application also, you have 1200 MCQs of audit for both old syllabus and new syllabus separately. And for strategic management, you have a question bank compiler. 80 pages compiler is there. If you read that, that is more than enough. And also we have given 800 MCQs for strategic management. So all these are free of cost. We are not charging even 1 rupee also. Even for the study plans or even the test series question papers, if you want to write, everything is available free of cost. Pavan sir, I want to write some mock exams. You can just download the app. From the app, you can get the question paper. You can answer them and suggested answers will be given to you. If you want your answer papers to be evaluated by academic experts, then you need to pay, per paper 299 rupees, which covers, if you are old syllabus student, there will be 6 exams per paper. If you are new syllabus students, there will be 9 exams per paper. For 9 exams or for 6 exams, what we are charging is 299 rupees, including mock test. MCQ bits will be given to you, case studies materials will be given to you. Only for that evaluation there is cost. Other than that, everything is available free of cost in our CAP classes application. So this last 30 days is very crucial for you. So what are you waiting for? Tomorrow, this is starting 4th November. Look here, 4th November, and till 1 day before exams you are reading. Till 1 day before exams. If you are group 2 student, your study plan along with mock test is going to complete by 3rd December. If you are both syllabus student or group 1 student, you will read up to December 5th. Okay, so I have spent a lot of time in doing this academic R&D, how a student has to, how much a student can read per day, to reduce the burden, at the same time covering 100% of the syllabus. I have sat so many hours to prepare this kind of study plans for you. I hope you will get maximum benefit out of it. So please start your preparation, not tomorrow, today. Today also you can read so many things. Now it's not even half the day gone. So now also you have a lot of time to do some revision today. But formally this study plan is coming into effect from tomorrow onwards. So I wish you all the very best. Don't waste your time. No tension. Yesterday I told you, you remember, no regrets of the past. No regrets of the past. You have not prepared, you have not started your preparation, let it be. Till today, whatever happened, jo ho gaya, so ho gaya. Let it be. From today, you have to focus. And this is rule 1. Rule 2, no tension of tomorrow. No tension, exam tension, results tension, post results, what are the consequences? No tension. Just focus on today. Focus on your preparation. With peaceful mind, you can improve your effectiveness a lot. With a tensed mind or with a mind which is full of anxiety and stress, negative thoughts, fear of failure, you cannot even read this 30 days properly. So whatever happened, just keep everything aside. Happily start preparation from today. From tomorrow, this formal 30 days revision plan is coming into effect. Happily read, write that MCQ contest daily, through that CAP classes mobile app and through YouTube videos of CAP classes. Happily prepare. Whatever best you can do, you do it. Your competition is you in the previous attempt versus you now. Don't compare yourself with anyone else. No tension. Don't take the pressure of family or friends or any other persons, neighbors or relatives. Just be at peace, peacefully sit and start studying. 12 hours minimum you have to study from today onwards till the date of exams. Okay, so tomorrow is Diwali. I wish you a very happy Diwali in advance. But our real Diwali is the day when we see the smile on the face of parents. So the results day will be real Diwali for you. Let the world celebrate. We will sit and study. All the best. Thank you.